Came from the dark where the silence grows, cold wind blowing through abandoned roads. Every thought felt heavy in my brain, like the night kept dancing with the pain. Lost souls moving up the neon skies, fear and desire living in my eyes. I was fighting wars nobody knew, trying to escape what I was going through. Every scar turned into energy, every fall became another piece of me. Through the pressure I learned how to survive, with a fire in my chest just to feel alive. Slow burns, cold nights, demons dancing in the city lights. Pulling deeper through my veins like thunder running through the rain. I can feel it take control. Every shadow calls my name, but I'll never be the same. Now the darkness feels like home. Deep obsession inside. Deep obsession. Like nights running through the empty streets, heartbeats sinking with the darker beats. Too much noise, but I still hear the sound of the version of myself I finally found. No fake love, no saving grace, only memories I cannot erase. Every broken dream became a flame, now the fire and the pain became my name. I was chasing peace inside a storm, but the chaos was where I was born. The deeper that I fall below, the stronger that obsession seems to grow. Cold air, red skies, pressure building deep inside my mind. Obsession, pulling deeper through my veins like thunder running through the rain. I can feel it take control. Obsession, every shadow calls my name, but I'll never be the same. Now the darkness feels like home. I hear the echoes in the distance, calling me back again. Every fear became addiction, every wound became my strength. And I rise to the stage, with the fire in my soul. When the night is down, I finally lose control. Obsession, living somewhere in my mind, like a ghost I cannot fight, still it keeps me feeling whole. Obsession, from the silence to the sound, I was lost but now I'm found in the darkness of my soul. Deep obsession. Deep obsession. Obsession. Came from the dark where the silence grows, cold wind blowing through abandoned roads. Every thought felt heavy in my brain, like the night kept dancing with the pain. Lost souls moving up the neon skies, fear and desire living in my eyes. I was fighting wars nobody knew, trying to escape what I was going through. Every scar turned into energy, every fall became another piece of me. Through the pressure I learned how to survive, with a fire in my chest just to feel alive. Slow burns, cold nights, demons dancing in the city lights. Pulling deeper through my veins like thunder running through the rain. I can feel it take control. Every shadow calls my name, but I'll never be the same. Now the darkness feels like home. Deep obsession inside. Deep obsession. Like nights running through the empty streets, heartbeats sinking with the darker beats. Too much noise, but I still hear the sound of the version of myself I finally found. No fake love, no saving grace, only memories I cannot erase. Every broken dream became a flame, now the fire and the pain became my name. I was chasing peace inside a storm, but the chaos was where I was born. The deeper that I fall below, the stronger that obsession seems to grow. Cold air, red skies, pressure building deep inside my mind. Obsession, pulling deeper through my veins like thunder running through the rain. I can feel it take control. Obsession, every shadow calls my name, but I'll never be the same. Now the darkness feels like home. I hear the echoes in the distance, calling me back again. Every fear